In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit PDF in DocHub. So the first thing you want to do, go to Google and type in DocHub edit PDF, and then you want to scroll down until you see edit a PDF hassle-free, and you want to click on that. And then you'll be able to just basically put in your PDF, so you can drop it here or upload it. I'm going to just upload it like this. There we go, a random document, open. It's going to start uploading, and then within just a few seconds, it's going to basically load your PDF in here. This is very quick, there we go. And as you can see, all of these boxes can now be edited and customized to your own wishes. So here you can go ahead and just type in whatever you want, click on any of these boxes. You can go ahead and add anything you want, like this, there we go. And then you can of course just click out of the box and it's been basically saved. And you can go ahead and do this for the entire PDF you put in here. So after you're done, click on done top right, and you can either save it as a PDF, you can download it, print it, mail it, etc. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.